So today we're in the Taste Kitchen, and one of the all-time favorites, especially with the Taste team, is a pampoenkoekie, pumpkin fritters. Okay, so let's get cracking. Actually no chopping, because we have fabulous, ready chopped, perfect cubes. So what we've got to do is steam them, and that is the trick about pumpkin fritters, is that you can't have too much water. So don't roast them. They can be microwavable, which is ideal if you've got a microwave. I don't own a microwave. So just pop that into steam. It'll take quite a while. If you want it to go quicker, then a little bit of PT, just chop those little cubes a little bit smaller. But that should take about, Bianca, 40, 50 minutes actually. Don't cheat, because you really want a beautiful mash. Okay, so let's test if the pumpkin's done. Beautiful and soft and dry. Just pop this into the fridge just to cool. So it's 60 grams of flour, plain cake flour. And as you can see, it's really dry, creamy. In the meantime, baking powder, little pinch of salt, 2 eggs, zest, fresh nutmeg. A bit like muffins, don't over whisk it, because you still want beautiful texture as well. Okay, so I have a medium heat, and what I like to do is add a little bit of butter and oil. So you've got a nice heated pan over a gentle heat. Okay, so while these pampoenkoekies are cooking, I'm going to make something really luxurious and decadent, which is a salted caramel sauce. I'm using demerara sugar, beautiful butter, a little bit of vanilla, and great Asia cream, a whole cup of it. Just give that a nice stir. The caramel sauce is beautiful, and you can actually reduce it a little bit longer if you want it thicker, but I love it beautiful and runny like this. Let's get this little baby. Voila, look how beautiful that is. So all these pumpkin fritters need traditionally is beautiful cinnamon sugar, and it's just ground cinnamon and sugar, but my twist is this beautiful salted caramel. Just a nice wedge of lemon, squeeze of lemon or lime. So now Yvette is on the Taste team. She's head of sales, and apparently she makes the best pumpkin fritters ever.
That is a true
You don't have to
story.
be nice to me. You can tell the truth.
I will tell the truth.
Okay.
I am really good at this.
Really?
Here we go.
Okay.
This
Ooh.
is seriously amazing.
No,
Really good.
Okay.
Cool.
You've got some sales to
Yeah.
do. Bye. 3 more pages.
This is amazing.